You have probably squeezed lemon juice into your tea or over your salad, but did you ever stop to think about what you're throwing away afterward? That bright yellow rind you are discarding might just be one of the most underrated sources of health benefits in your kitchen. Lemon peels aren't just trash, they're treasure. Bursting with powerful nutrients, lemon peels have the potential to boost your immune system, rejuvenate your skin, and even protect your body against chronic disease. Surprised? Keep watching this video till end to discover why this citrus skin might just become your new favorite health hack. Before we continue, tell us, where are you watching from? And have you ever heard about the surprising power packed inside a lemon peel? Drop your answers in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Number 1. Nutritional Goldmine. What's inside a lemon peel? Lemon peels are incredibly nutrient-dense, more than most people realize. In fact, they contain 5 to 10 times more vitamins than the juice itself. That's right, while lemon juice gets all the glory, the peel quietly carries an impressive amount of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 1 tablespoon of grated lemon peel contains about 9% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. But that's not all. It's also rich in calcium, potassium, magnesium, and even small amounts of vitamin A and folate. Additionally, lemon peels contain powerful phytonutrients like flavonoids and limonene, compounds with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These nutrients play a crucial role in detoxification, heart health, and even cellular repair. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video. Number 2. Digestive health and detoxification. A healthy gut is essential to overall wellness, and lemon peels are packed with dietary fiber, especially a type called pectin, which is known for improving digestion and regulating bowel movements. Pectin acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting a balanced microbiome. Additionally, the bitter compounds in lemon peel stimulate bile production, which helps in breaking down fats and removing toxins from the liver. This makes lemon peel an excellent natural detoxifier. If you're feeling bloated or sluggish, incorporating lemon peel into warm water or herbal teas can provide gentle digestive relief and restore balance in the gastrointestinal tract. Limonene also has mild carminative effects, reducing gas and soothing intestinal spasms, making it useful for those suffering from indigestion or irritable bowel syndrome. Number 3. Skin health and anti-aging effects. If you're looking for natural ways to maintain glowing, youthful skin, lemon peel might be your secret weapon. Thanks to its high antioxidant content, especially vitamin C and flavonoids, lemon peel helps neutralize free radicals that accelerate skin aging. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, the protein that keeps skin firm and elastic. By incorporating lemon peel into your diet or skincare routine, you may notice reduced appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even hyperpigmentation over time. Additionally, the natural astringent properties of lemon peel can help control excess oil and fight acne-causing bacteria when applied topically in diluted form. Lemon peel also contains citric acid, a natural exfoliant that can brighten the complexion and improve skin texture. Just remember to use it cautiously on the skin and always dilute it with carrier substances like honey or yogurt. Number 4. Immune system booster. Vitamin C is well known for its immunity-boosting properties, and lemon peel is packed with it. But it goes even further. The citrus bioflavonoids in the peel work synergistically with vitamin C to enhance absorption and effectiveness. This combo not only helps fight off common colds and flu, but also reduces inflammation in the body, strengthening the immune response overall. Moreover, lemon peel contains a compound called D-limonene, which has been shown to stimulate white blood cell production and assist in detoxification processes, 2 major functions that support a healthy immune system. Regular consumption of lemon peel could help your body better fend off bacterial and viral infections, especially when your defenses are low. Number 5. Heart health and cholesterol management. Another powerful benefit of lemon peel lies in its potential to support cardiovascular health. The citrus flavonoids found in lemon peel, particularly hesperidin and diosmine, are known to strengthen blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. Research suggests that D-limonene, present in abundance in the peel, can help lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels while raising HDL or good cholesterol. The fiber in lemon peel also plays a role in binding excess cholesterol in the digestive system and removing it from the body. One study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that lemon peel extract reduced blood pressure and improved lipid profiles in animal models, suggesting potential protective effects against heart disease and stroke in humans. Number 6. Natural antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Among the most exciting findings about lemon peel is its high antioxidant content and potential anti-cancer effects. D-limonene, once again, takes center stage. This compound has been studied for its ability to inhibit the growth of various cancer cells, including those of the skin, breast, colon, and lungs. The antioxidants in lemon peel, such as flavonoids and vitamin C, help neutralize oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of chronic diseases, including cancer. Additionally, the polyphenols in lemon peel have been shown to trigger apoptosis, or programmed cell death in abnormal cells. While more human studies are needed, preliminary research and traditional medicinal practices suggest that incorporating lemon peel into your diet may play a preventative role against cancer development, especially when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Number 7. Oral health and fresh breath. Lemon peels have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that make them effective in promoting oral hygiene. Chewing on a small piece of lemon peel or incorporating dried peel into mouthwashes may help reduce the levels of harmful bacteria in the mouth, responsible for gum disease, bad breath, and cavities. Citric acid and essential oils in the peel act as a natural cleanser, breaking down plaque and freshening breath. However, it's essential to rinse your mouth with water afterward to prevent acid erosion on your enamel. Number 8. Weight management support. Trying to shed a few pounds? Lemon peel might assist you in your weight management journey. The pectin fiber in the peel promotes satiety by slowing digestion and reducing hunger cravings. This can help you feel fuller for longer periods and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, D-limonene is believed to support fat metabolism and detoxification, making it easier for the body to burn fat more efficiently. Lemon peel tea or a sprinkle of zest in meals can be a simple and natural aid to support a healthy diet and active lifestyle. Number 9. Strengthens bones. Lemon peels are a surprising source of calcium and vitamin C, both essential for strong bones and healthy joints. These nutrients support bone density and may help reduce the risk of osteoporosis as you age. Including lemon peel in your diet can provide a natural boost to skeletal health. Number 10. Fights bacterial infections. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties, lemon peel can help combat harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. The natural oils and compounds in the peel create a hostile environment for pathogens, offering an added layer of protection against infections. It's a gentle, natural way to support your body's defenses. How to incorporate lemon peel into your diet. Now that you're aware of the benefits, the big question is, how do you actually use lemon peel safely and effectively? Start by thoroughly washing your lemons, preferably organic ones, to avoid pesticide residues. You can then grate the outer layer of the peel to create lemon zest. Add zest to your salads, soups, teas, smoothies, yogurt, or baked goods for an extra punch of flavor and nutrition. You can also dry lemon peels and grind them into powder to sprinkle on various dishes. Another great way is to boil them in water for a refreshing detox tea. Just remember, moderation is key, and if you're new to consuming lemon peel, start with small amounts to see how your body responds. Safety and precautions. While lemon peel is generally safe for most people, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Non-organic lemons may contain pesticide residues on the peel, so always wash them thoroughly or choose organic when possible. Also, due to its acidity, excessive consumption might cause discomfort in people with acid reflux or sensitive stomachs. If you're considering using lemon peel topically, always do a patch test first, as the essential oils can be quite potent and may irritate sensitive skin. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. So, the next time life gives you lemons, don't just make lemonade. Use the whole fruit and unlock its hidden magic. Your journey to better health could begin with something as simple as a lemon peel. Nature has gifted us this powerful gem, and it's time we stop wasting it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into natural wellness, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We share easy, effective, and evidence-based tips to help you live your healthiest life. Share this video with someone who could benefit from this citrus wisdom. We will see you in the next video. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.